Hey y'all, Happy New Year. The time has come to finally try out the Carslan goodies that I showed you in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, it's an unboxing video. Go check it out so you know what we are talking about. Got a bunch of products, so let's dive in. This is their eyebrow pencil. As I said, the packaging is so lush. Look at that. They reached out to me and they were super nice. I mean, they just said, you know what, we'll just send you some bits just to try out, no obligation. So here I am. That's actually really showed up nicely. So I'm just finishing up my brows like I normally do. They sent me two eyeshadow palettes, but I think I'm gonna go with this one just because it looks like what I'm wearing. So I primed my eyes just because I want to give this a fair chance of performance. I'm starting off with that pink. Pigmentation is okay, super blendable. I'm loving that. Going in with that pink shimmer. Ooh, okay. Yes, okay, all right. That's gorgeous. And it's just gliding on really nicely. Yes. Really pleased with that shimmer. Just using the soft pink just under the brow bone. I got two eyeliners, a black and a yellow. Obviously going to use the black one for this look because today is not the day for this one. Okay. Nice application. Girl. Ooh, yes, honey. Okay, that wing is super sharp and very precise. I haven't got face products from them, so I'm just gonna do my base and I will come back. I've done my base. I'm gonna use the soft focus powder to set. I'm a bit nervous about this one because of the color, but we'll see. So the powder is white, but I do like the velvet powder pop. It is doing something. I do like that. Ooh, nice velvety finish. Ooh, okay, all right. I would say this is more of a finishing powder, but it is doing the job. So I've gone ahead and finished off my face. They sent me 4 lip products, but this one is one I really want to try. Let's see. I've already used the dark red lip liner, but look at the packaging. Let's see. Yes, honey. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I am obsessed with this look. The eyebrow pencil has done me really well. The eyeshadow palette is super gorgeous, super buttery, just blendable, just gorgeous. Eyeliner is my absolute fave, super sharp, you know, really dark. The soft focus powder is a universal color, so I think it should be fine. And obviously the lipstick, the packaging is everything. So yeah, we love it.